Hi there! Today we are deep diving into the ECOVACS DEEBOT T90 Pro OMNI. And here's the thing, this is a flagship level cleaning experience you get for under $800. On paper, it already looks like a beast. We are talking about a massive 30,000 PA of suction power paired with a completely reimagined OZMO Roller 3.0 spinning mop. Now, most robot mops on the market just drag a damp cloth across your floor, which essentially is just smearing the dirt around. But this one uses a 27 centimeter microfiber roller that spins at up to 200 RPM, combined with 10 newtons of downward scrubbing force for true edge to edge deep scrubbing. In this video, we are going to push it to its absolute limits to see if it can actually replace your manual mop and vacuum. So, let's get into it. Let's start with the feature everyone is talking about, the mopping performance. ECOVACS completely ditched the traditional vibrating pads here. Instead, they built in fresh flow power washing with 32 way sprays, continuously spraying clean water onto the roller while a built-in scraper squeegees the dirty water away into a separate internal waste tank. This means the robot is constantly cleaning with fresh water, not dirty residue. And with 10 newtons of downward scrubbing force at 200 RPM, it really digs into stains. The 27 centimeter roller extends 1.5 centimeters to the side thanks to the True Edge 3.0, so it hugs baseboards and cabinets with zero gap. To test this, I let some sticky syrup and dark coffee dry on my kitchen tile for 2 full hours. Usually this requires me to get down on my knees with a scrubbing brush. When I sent the T90 Pro over it, the roller pushed right up against the baseboards, leaving absolutely no gap. It took 2 passes for the sticky syrup, but the floor came out completely clean and surprisingly not sticky at all. Now let's switch over to raw vacuuming power because 30,000 PA of blast suction is a crazy number for a robot vacuum. For context, that is enough power to pull deep-seated dust right out of your carpet fibers, not just surface debris. But high suction usually means one thing: massive hair tangles around the brush roll. To combat this, ECOVACS implemented their Zero Tangle 4.0 system. It uses a specialized V-shaped brush combined with dual comb teeth that actually lift and straighten hair before it can wrap tight. A great vacuum is useless if it gets stuck every 5 minutes. The T90 Pro uses AI/VI 3D 4.0 navigation, which combines LiDAR with an AI camera to map your home and identify obstacles. To test this, I did what any normal person would do. I threw a chaotic mess of smartphone charging cables, loose socks, and dog toys directly in its path. Most robots would immediately eat the cable and choke. The T90 Pro slowed down, scanned the cable, and neatly steered around it with centimeters to spare. You can see the exact objects it recognizes right inside the app, which builds a highly accurate 3D map of your home. Plus, it has the Yeeko voice assistant built right in. You don't even need your phone or an Alexa speaker. You can literally just stand in your kitchen and say, okay, Eco, clean under the dining table. And it will track your voice and head straight over. Finally, let's talk about maintenance. Because the OMNI station is massive and takes up a lot of real estate in your room, but it earns that space. When the robot docks, the station automatically empties the dustbin so you don't have to touch the debris for weeks. Then it hot washes the mop roller at 75 degrees Celsius or 167 degrees Fahrenheit to kill bacteria, followed by 63 degrees Celsius hot air drying to prevent any musty odors. The dirty water box even auto cleans itself, and the wash tray is maintenance free for up to 150 days. My only real complaint is that the auto empty is quite loud for about 10 seconds. And you do have to manually empty the dirty water tank every few days. And trust me, that water, it looks disgusting. One more thing worth mentioning, while the robot is docked washing the mop, Power Boost charging gives you 10% battery in just 3 minutes with adaptive charging, so you spend less time waiting on large area cleaning. And if you have carpets, the 15mm roller lift automatically raises the mop to keep carpets dry, and it can even prioritize carpets first in your cleaning schedule. It also handles thresholds with ease, thanks to TruePass adaptive 4-wheel drive climbing. At its current price point, under $800, this is definitely an investment. But if you want a truly hands-off machine that handles both vacuuming and having mopping without getting tangled or stuck, at a price point that makes flagship performance actually accessible, this is one of the best options on the market right now. So in my opinion, the ECOVACS DEEBOT T90 Pro Omni is worth every penny. Get yours today. The link is in the caption. If you liked this video, make sure you like it, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you on the next one. Bye for now.